On a day when it snowed a little, I came to my parents' house to check the operation of the snow melting machine. The wind was strong, and my wife was playing with the chimney. I tried to set up the chimney, but it doesn't work. So I start the snow melting machine, forgetting that I was low on kerosene. After running it for a while, the kerosene ran out completely and the burner stopped. At the time, I had been melting some of the snow, but due to a misfire, some snow remained in the snow melting machine. Every year when I start the snow melting machine, I check it like this. But I mistakenly thought that there was a little kerosene left. Thinking that something was strange when the snow didn't melt, I tried lighting the burner several times, but it wouldn't start because there was already no kerosene left. Thus, since the snow wouldn't melt anymore, I stopped the snow melting machine and refilled it with kerosene after it was stopped. Air had accumulated in the piping of the snow melting machine from the kerosene tank, so I filled the pipes with kerosene. filled the snow melter with kerosene, so I'm going to put it back in order. My wife is playing on the ice, but now she's happy to know she can use the snow melter.
スケートリンクみたいになってる。めっちゃ滑るわ。こうスケートの人みたいにこう。ここ激滑りだったのこれ。あ、なんか外れた。あ、私マスクしてないわ。やば。マスクもせずうろうろしちゃってシミそばかす。やばいやばい。いかがでしょうこれで。
The snow melter is fixed, so I'll start it again, and it should ignite.
怪しいけど、やったほっとした。これで使える。お湯出てるってことだよね。お湯パパは何でも直してくれる。すごいな。おっと危ない。